Hey, I want to show you a great side table. I wanted something that could swing in, be strong, and swivel. This is a medium top. They come in three sizes: small, medium, and large. As you can tell, I mean, this medium is a really good size. The whole thing can be put together in about 15 minutes. It comes with this hex key. There's about 8 pieces. And I'm going to walk you through. You can see how I'm just each piece coming out of the box, put it together. Part to know is the feet that sit on the ground, you need to put your chair on top of them. That gives you all that leverage. Now, they are fully adjustable width-wise, so small chair, large chair, whatever that footprint is, it should fit. The top comes right off, really easy. That way, if you want to move it out of the way or don't want it, then you can just stick it back on there like so. And when you want to get up and out, just move it out and away you go.